At Henna Sooq, we like to make your hair care journey simple, especially when it comes to henna and Ayurvedic hair care. Welcome to my channel. My name is Khadija. I'm a leading henna hair color expert, and I also specialize in Ayurvedic herbal hair care, and I am a henna and jaguar artist as well. And I have a beautiful, gorgeous new space right here in Columbia, Maryland, where I'm recording out of. And it's a retail location, a salon, and we have events and classes and workshops, and we even host parties as well. So I'm going to be talking to you about these new Ayurvedic herbal hair products that will simplify your hair care journey. Because I know there's a lot of herbs out there. Sometimes it's overwhelming, when it comes to which herb do I use? Aloe this, and how about bringraj and shikakai and brahmi and cassia, all these different herbs, and you're like, zisophus, what is even that herb? What is that? How much do I put of each? How do I know what to do? So I'm here to introduce some new Ayurvedic herbal powders that are blends that I have created with the perfect hair goals and focus in mind for you, and the proportions, the right everything that you need to reach your hair goals. Some of you already know the Ayurvedic Plus that was already released a few months ago, and it has been doing really, really, really well. The Ayurvedic Plus mask has zisophus. It also has the amla, cassia. Yes, those ingredients. And the purpose of this Ayurvedic Plus mask is that you want to get fuller hair. If your hair is thinning and you're having lack of growth and just breakage, and you really want to focus in on that, this treatment is perfect for you. If you have those particular hair issues and these are your goals, this is good for you. You can also add more moisturizing ingredients to this and any of the herbal hair treatments if you ever feel you need to, because seasonally, things change. Summer, maybe not so much. Winter, yeah, you need more hydration. Remember, you can still add to your recipes even as simple as aloe vera juice. If you're allergic to aloe vera juice, maybe your favorite conditioner or something that works really well for your hair. How about avocados? There's so many options that you could do to make a really rich, nourishing mask and make it work for your hair and your hair goals. But zisophus is key to combating hair thinning. This Ayurvedic Plus is for you. So definitely check this out. And we also check out one of my last videos that I did within the last little short while. I did maybe last 4 to 6 weeks, I made a video on thinning hair. So you definitely got to check that out. Next up is our brand new Hydrate Plus Ayurvedic Hair Mask. I hope you're signed up for Black Friday early access, and just know that this is going to be in an amazing bundle. Go to our website, hennasooq.com, and sign up for early access to Black Friday. We're only allowing early access for a limited time only, so literally there are days left. Check that out. You're gonna get access to getting this mask along with all these great new hair masks. This one in particular is really good. Number one ingredient is aloe vera, and that is because it's hydration plus. It's full of hydration. And you're gonna have amla for hair growth, the bringraj, you're gonna have the fenugreek, and also ashwagandha. I love this combination of herbs because I feel like it's giving you slip, it's giving you the balance of that moisture, it's giving you good Ayurvedic herbs for your hair, along with stimulating the scalp. Amla's has tons of studies behind it that show that it promotes hair growth. Ashwagandha is very balancing and calming, and it's very, very good for the hair as well. Great herb overall treatment. This one would be for you if you're looking for that Hydrate Plus Ayurvedic herbal hair care mask. And it's just gorgeous. Oh, I wanted to mention that all of our new packaging, if you flip it on the back for your instructions, there's a QR code on all of our new packages, and this QR code will bring you to a page that has all the directions and steps and extra tips and videos on how to use this mask. And now we got the cleansing treatment of the Ayurvedic dry shampoo. This is a combination of herbs that are perfect for cleansing, a nice balance, giving you some slip and cleanse, and just the formulation that is not going to be too gritty. Some of the cleansing herbs can be a little gritty, or it just gives you really smooth, nice consistency so that easily washes out of your hair. So this one is really good for you if you are into using herbs to cleanse your hair. If you're really trying to avoid chemicals, even preservatives, fragrance. There's no fragrances in any of our products, by the way. The herbs definitely don't have any artificial fragrances or ingredients. We use only pure essential oils here at Hennasooq in all of our products. So this is a good fit for you if you're looking for a nice cleansing herbal treatment. And it's already ready for you, all in one, proportioned out to get you the best of the best. I'm gonna be showing you how to use Henna Anagen. Yep, the Henna Anagen. And this is going to be one of our hottest. Ooh, I know it's going to be straight fire. Like, I know that it's gonna be flying off the shelves because it's got the henna, it's got the amla, and it's got the aloe. It's a combination of a good strengthening, massive hair growth mask. You've been looking for it, an all-in-one file that has the henna, the amla, and the aloe powder form, and then you can mix up as much as you need whenever you need. So it may color your hair. Just note that you may get a reddish tint, but the Henna Anagen, it works with your growth cycle. Consistency is key. Using it, you're gonna see those results. Like, you should definitely see a difference in Ayurvedic hair care process of your hair changing and just really evolving. At least 6 to 8 weeks, if not even in the first 1 or 2 treatments, you'll see like a difference, and you'll notice, just the goodness that you're putting in your hair and on your scalp. Stylers are great, moisturizing products are great, but you need to treat your hair. You need to be doing treatments. Like, everyone needs to be doing treatments, and if you have any hair problems, then you need Hennasooq.com to find your solutions, because we got it set up for you there. Not just henna hair color, but any issues you're having, alopecia, dandruff, hair thinning, hair loss. You want to promote hair growth. Maybe you have heat damage. We have some solutions for you, so you definitely got to check it out. These masks are coming soon. These are the 2 new ones. Ayurvedic Plus is available online already. It's gonna be in a bundle, a sweet deal for Black Friday. That's gonna be like a doorbuster. This one today, I'm gonna be showing you how to mix it. All right, the Henna Anagen. Ooh, 3 Ayurvedic herbs, perfect for your hair growth cycle. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna absolutely love, 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 love this mask. Easy to open and easy to seal back. It has a seal there so that way you can close it back up. And easy to pour. Oh, look at that goodness. Okay. Perfect proportions for your hair goals. So I recommend, because it does have henna in it, you can use this probably, I would say, every 3 to 4 weeks. Oh, I love mixing this, really. It is reminding me of amla. And amla has this texture about it that's like smooth. This has a really nice smooth texture, and the henna adds in a bit of that elasticity as well, like just the textures together. And the aloe, I just know this is gonna be so easy to mix and apply. Like, it's so smooth. Just look at it so far. It's just amazing, the texture. So remember, when you're going to be using these masks, make sure that you do detangle your hair and you do pre-wash your hair, and you can apply onto damp hair. Use one of our hair washers or shampoo bars. That would be ideal. And then you can apply this by sections. If your hair is very fine and very curly as well, note that you might want to do it slowly by small sections. Don't do big chunky sections because your hair may tangle. That goes with any Ayurvedic hair treatments in general. You want to be very gentle with your hair, especially if it gets really tangly. And then you can leave this in under steam or heat for 20-30 minutes, or even up to 60 minutes. If you're at room temperature, 1 to 2 hours is fine as well. Don't leave it in too long if you're worried about getting color deposit, because there is henna in here. You may get some little bit of tint of red. So if you don't want that, leave it in a shorter period of time, and 20-30 minutes is plenty in that case. And then from there, wash it out with one of our cleansing co-washes. That will add a lot of moisture back as well. And it will give you a slip and easy to detangle and just get everything of the mask out, and leave your hair feeling really, really good and smelling amazing. I just used warm to hot distilled water. Once you mix it up, you can use it immediately, because this is not color. You're not trying to let it sit so you can get color. Unless you want to, you can, but don't let it sit out longer than an hour or 2. You know how I feel about attracting bacteria, and we ain't about attracting no bacteria, right? So this is a good consistency. I like this. It's not too runny. It's still pretty thick, like, rich yogurt. So this texture is really good. So if you want to, though, you can use other ingredients as well. You can use coconut milk. You can still DIY it, as I mentioned, aloe vera juice earlier. You can put honey in it. You could do a lot of things, and there are a lot of benefits to all of those ingredients. So look up different ingredients and see what will work best for you. You could add essential oils to it if you want it to smell really nice as well. You can add in one of your favorite hair oils if you have castor oil. oil, jojoba, camellia, even if you have our amla oil, I mean, promote that hair growth, you know, that would be good. So I highly recommend that you use this treatment if you're really focusing on your hair growth cycle and you want to see results. This is the best mask for you, and I know it's going to be flying off the shelf. Henna Anagen. So I want to thank you for tuning in and checking out our brand new Ayurvedic hair mask that's going to make your life simple, ready to use. Just mix and apply onto your gorgeous hairs. Get the results that you want. Solve all your hair problems. Reach your hair goals. Get there. Consistency is key. You're gonna love this mask. This Henna Anagen is gonna be flying off the shelf. So get it while you can, and don't forget to subscribe to the Hennasooq channel. My goal is to reach that 100K. Let's just get the subscribers. Tag a friend. Let people know that they can definitely get really good treatments and really good results with our products. Come by the Columbia, Maryland location. You know how many people come by and say, hey, I saw you on YouTube? Well, I'm waiting for you. Let's go. Come on. And if you're out of state, out of the country, come through. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.